Growing a YouTube channel can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your existing channel, here's a roadmap to guide you. 1. Define your niche. First and foremost, identify your niche. Focus on a specific topic or theme that you are passionate about and that has an audience. This helps in attracting viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. 2. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment to ensure your videos are visually and audibly appealing. Quality content is key. Plan your videos carefully, ensure they are engaging, and provide value to your audience. 3. Optimize your videos. Utilize SEO strategies to make your videos discoverable. This includes creating compelling titles, using relevant keywords in your descriptions and tags, and crafting eye-catching thumbnails. 4. Be consistent. Consistency is crucial. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and help in building a loyal viewer base. 5. Engage with your audience. Build a community by interacting with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with their interests. This engagement fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to return. 6. Promote your channel. Leverage social media platforms to promote your videos and reach a broader audience. Collaborate with other creators to tap into their follower base and cross-promote your content. 7. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to track your performance. Understand what works and what doesn't by examining metrics like watch time, audience demographics, and engagement rates. Adapt your strategies based on these insights. 8. Stay updated. The digital landscape is always evolving. Stay informed about YouTube's algorithm changes, trends, and best practices. Adapt your approach to stay relevant and maintain growth. In summary, growing a YouTube channel requires a blend of passion, creativity, and strategic planning. By defining your niche, creating quality content, optimizing for discoverability, being consistent, engaging with your audience, promoting effectively, analyzing your performance, and staying updated, you set yourself on a path to success. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your YouTube journey.